It's going to be controversial. There's going to be resistance because of what we've been force-fed by medicine and science. That's why this video is really just for you if you're not satisfied with the answers you get from your doctors. If you're still here, I'd love to share a personal story. I've been studying medicine in university before deciding to become a naturopath. And I still remember sitting in class. It was something that stood out for me when the professor was talking about autoimmune diseases. There was something in my body where I was like, huh? Really? So I actually put my hand up and I asked, like, how do we know that the body is attacking itself? And this professor was one of the honest ones. He just said, well, we do not have a better explanation. There is no proof, but this is the best explanation we can come up with. Autoimmune disease means that the body is attacking itself, which does not make any sense. Where do you see that in nature, that any organism fights against its own? Why should your body eat away its own colon cells? Human bodies, like any organism, is built to thrive. It will always do its best to survive. Many years ago, before I started my practice, I actually went on a search and was like, what could make more sense? And I stumbled across a person called Anthony William, medical medium. And this is not an advertisement for him. This is just the best explanation that makes most sense for my gut feelings. And that actually got me results with dozens and dozens of one-on-one clients over the last 10 years. Some of them dealt with severe cases of UC, being in the hospital every 3 months, getting steroids, immunosuppressants, antibiotics, and not getting better. And over the years, seeing real results, people gaining weight again, less fatigue, less pain, some of them going fully into remission now for several years. That's why I'm feeling confident now to share this on the channel here with you, because this is a severe condition, and really just getting that label from the doctor that your body is attacking itself just pushes it back to you, when actually the doctor should have said, well, we actually don't know what's happening with you, we can't really help you, which would be the correct answer. So the short form of the explanation medical medium has, which makes the most sense to me, is that the condition is actually viral. One variety of the shingles virus, which is a herpetic virus from the herpes family, is causing this massive inflammation and hemorrhaging in the colon. But medicine now just knows one shingles variety. And honestly, if you're dealing with ulcerative colitis, you might not want to wait another decade until science catches up to this information. You don't have to believe that. As long as the protocol you're implementing works, who cares if it's a shingles virus or whatever the root cause is? But if I see improvements with my clients, that's all I'm looking for. I don't need to prove science right or wrong, but I care about helping people to get out of this misery and this dependency and having a lifelong diagnosis of needing to suppress your immune system, which makes the least sense, especially if it's a virus. You want to strengthen your immune system. Anything that makes your body weaker makes the virus stronger. So now let's jump into what you can do. I'm going to give you 3 things to start with that I also tell my one-on-one clients to get your foot in the door if you're open for an alternative healing protocol. Number 1, the first thing. This is going to be intense in the beginning because there is so much buildup in the colon, so much inflammation and debris that needs to get out. Number 1 is drinking plain, fresh pressed, not store-bought, not made with a blender, but actually made with a real juicer, celery juice. 16 ounces, you can start slower if 16 ounces is too much, especially if you're right now in a flare. Maybe 8 ounces is better on an empty stomach, first thing in the morning. I have a whole playlist about celery juice. I'll link that up here in the description below if you want more info, how to do it, etc. That's the first thing you want to do every morning. Before anything else, 16 ounces on an empty stomach, celery juice, fresh pressed. Number 2 is to reduce your fat intake. Why? Because the liver is involved in helping to heal ulcerative colitis, because the liver produces bile. Bile dissolves fat. If you have an overburdened liver, and you do if you have ulcerative colitis, you got to strengthen your liver and your healthy stomach acid, because the stomach acid is there to kill off pathogens and help with protein digestion. Also, shingles virus, they hide in rancid fat that is covering the intestinal lining of your colon. So we really want to make it easy for the body to get rid of that and to heal the liver and the stomach to strengthen your overall digestive system. Number 3, there are certain foods that you need to avoid while you're on your healing journey. Not forever, but at least temporarily, to see improvements and strengthen your digestive system and stop feeding that virus that creates so much pain and suffering for you. This is going to be super uncomfortable and unpopular. These are a lot of foods that you're likely eating right now, so don't freak out. In the end, I'm also going to give you an alternative plan to what to eat instead. Just naming these foods quickly, those are eggs, no matter how organic they are, dairy, any type of dairy, including goat and sheep, gluten, any grains that contain gluten, all the bread, the cookies, the pasta, soy, tofu, soy sauce, anything that contains soy, corn products. Corn is in a lot of things. Corn starch, modified starch is often corn. Even in supplements, you often find corn. And last one is canola oil. I know these are a lot of the most popular and most affordable foods. That's why I created a detailed healing plan, which includes meals, shopping list, recipes, a detailed healing protocol with a few high quality supplements, which are optional, but help to heal the linings of the gut. For example, zinc sulfate, very powerful in supporting the immune system, not suppressing it, because the immune system is your friend. That plan is based on 10 years of working with clients, not AI generated. Check that out here on the description below. And to continue learning here on YouTube, I recommend this video to go deeper on your healing journey from ulcerative colitis.